Hello guys, welcome to Sus Vlogs. This is your host Sabah from Karachi, Pakistan. Guys, today video is about Excel learning. Excel, as you may have aware from the title of the video, this is an Excel tutorial, and this video is about to learn some basics of Excel software. So let us first focus on what is Excel. So Excel is a software or a tool that helps students and professionals to work and make spreadsheets easily. So without wasting any time, let us go and start Excel learning. So let us search Excel and open Excel software, and there are so many, this is a tour, take a tour, welcome to Excel, and there are so many other templates which are ready-made. Just you have to put your data into it and the Excel will work, the charts will work. And on the other hand, there is a search for online templates. You can search for any template. There are thousands of templates available online for Excel, and you can work on any template. Since you are a beginner, so let us open a blank workbook so that you can able to learn Excel in a very basic way. So I just clicked blank Excel. It opens a spreadsheet. I just want to tell you some the layout of the software. So you can see here, these are the tabs. You call it tabs. So there is a home tab, insert tab, page layout, formula, and underneath of these tabs, these are called ribbons. So I'll just write it here so that you can able to understand. These are called ribbons. So each tab has a ribbon, and each ribbon is divided into groups. So groups. So if you are going to home tab, you have a clipboard group, you have a font group, alignment, numbers, XYZ. And if you will notice, there is a small button here. It's called expand button. So some of the groups having more options. So if you will press this button, it will open a pop-up window and you will get more and more options from the group. So now let me zoom it from here. If you will come to the bottom right, here you can see a scroll bar for zoom. You can just hold the bar and you can zoom in or zoom out. Alternatively, there is a zoom level click button. Once you will click here, you can go to any percentage of zoom, or you can put a custom zoom. So let's go to 200 zoom and click OK. So by this way you can able to easily see what I'm going to type here and what I'm going to show you. This is a spreadsheet and it's named as sheet number 1. So sheet number 1 is a spreadsheet. So let me write here for you, sheet. And the whole book is called workbook. So I will write here workbook. So each workbook can contain n number of sheets. You can see sheet number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can make any number of sheets from a single workbook. You can right click on a sheet and you can delete it, whatever you want to do, like this. And you can even rename it. So I'll rename it basic learning. And even if you have so many books, so to able to distinguish between each book, you can go to tab color and you can put any color here, so that you can able to easily identify your worksheets. So a spreadsheet is contains a lot of cells. So cells. So what is a cell? What is a cell? So cell basically it's a intersection of a column and a row. So we had two new terms, columns and rows. So cell is basically a intersection. So let's suppose this is column A, B, C, D till so many, the X number of cells, and there are rows, row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so many others. So if you will come here, so what is the cell number, the reference of a cell? You can say cell reference. So cell reference is an intersection. So if you are here, it's B and it's 2. So the cell reference is B2. B. Now each cell, as I told you, each cell has a separate reference, so you can able to easily identify. So let's suppose if we are here, this is cell F4, this is G6. Always the column number will be first and the row number will be second. And let's suppose if we are selecting a number of cells, so it will become a range. So let's type here range. So what is range? Range, you can go to vertical down, or you can go to horizontal left or right, or you can select number of cells. This is called your range. So let's suppose if we are selecting this number of cells, so what is the range? So the range is E3, and then we'll put colon and G6. So what is E3 to G6? This is the range. And if you want to select this one, so what will be the range? H6 colon H7. This is your range. I hope you understand some of the terms: cells, columns, rows, intersections, cell reference and ranges. Let's delete this, and now we are going to make a new spreadsheet so that you can able to understand how to make it. And even also I just want to tell you, if you will come here on the left top right, you can see the cell reference as well here. So each cell, if you will select, it will be you will get a cell reference from here. So let's suppose we want to make a spreadsheet for movies. So we are going to type name of movies. We are going to type genre, location and so on. So let's suppose we are going to type the name of a movie, Olympus Has Fallen. Now you can see if we have written this big text here, so it is covering the cell number B5 as well, but it doesn't matter because it's just showing you. If you will come to this cell, if you will select B5 and if you will type genre fighting, it will show you fighting, but the name will be separate from this cell. So how you can able to see the full name of a movie? So now I'm going to tell you how you can do that. So if you will come here, cell number A and column number A and column number B. So if you will come in between of two columns, you will see two opposite arrows. Just hold from your mouse button and just open it up till right until you will see the full name of your movie. This is how you can able to increase the width of a column, and same way you can do for any row. You can come in between of any two rows and you can increase or decrease the size of the width of the row. Let us put location America. Okay, now I'm going to tell you some more functions, some basic functions of Excel. If you are on a cell A5 and if you want to go towards right, you have to press tab, tab, tab. Tab will make you towards right. And if you want to come down, you have to press enter, enter, enter. So enter will make you down. And if you want to go up, I mean the opposite of enter, so you have to press shift enter. And if you want to go to the left side, you have to press shift tab. So what I have told you, let us write here. Tabs make you towards right, enter takes you down, and with shift it will be opposite. Let's go and just fill up our spreadsheet. Angel has fallen, London has fallen. So I'm pressing enter, so I'm going down. And if you will go to any other movies, collateral damage or whatsoever the English movies you are having in your mind, so you can just put here. And even you can move your cell from up, down, left, right arrow. So I'm doing it from the arrows of the keyboard. So now Angel has fallen, it's fighting. London has fallen, is fighting. Collateral damage is terrorism. And you can put any name, UK, Canada, and Italy. Whatever you want to make a spreadsheet, you can just put your name. So now there is another way. If you have so many text which are not shown because the text width is more, so there is another way of doing it. So just select all the columns and go to any in between of any of the column and just double click. So it will open up all the text whatever you have written. Let's make our spreadsheet more visible, more appealing. So let's suppose this is the heading. So we will go to home tab and we'll press bold here. We'll make it italic or underline, whatever we want to do. And if we want to cover up the whole of our chart, we can select all the three columns, all the three cells, and then we can come here to home tab. In the alignment group, we can make merge and center. It will become merge and centered. So this is our heading. So we can do something like this. We can increase the size from here, or we can increase the size from this button as well. So now location comes to another cell. What we will do, we'll just come up here, we'll double click from between any column and it will clear up our text. Okay, I am going to tell you some more things, some more basic things about Excel. So let's suppose if you select cell A5. So there are two terms which are called being on a cell and being in a cell. What does these two text means? So if you select a cell, it means you are being on a cell, and if you are on being on a cell, then whatever you will type, it will replace the text. But if you are being in a cell means once you are in a cell, and if you will double click, you will see a small cursor here, and then you can able to do any changes in your text. So this is called being in a cell. So these two things you have to notice, that being on a cell and being in a cell. And you have to just go through all those options from the tabs, their groups, and there are some groups in the home tab, like fonts, alignments, conditional formatting, and then sorting, sort and filter, and then insert. In the insert, you can insert some pictures, some shapes from here. From the formula tab, you can go to the name managers. From data, you can go to the data validation. These are some of the common functions we will use in our Excel tutorials. So I hope guys you have learned more about Excel, and just stay tuned to my channel so that you can get more and more videos about Excel learning. So now I'm going to say goodbye to you. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye bye.